आजादी एक बुनियादी हक, कश्मीर इससे महरूम क्यों? क्या कश्मीर का हल बगैर कश्मीरियों की उमंगों के मुमकिन होना चाहिए? भारतीय फौज के जुल्म सितम वादी के बहादुर नौजवानों को न दबा सके और न दबा सकेंगे। आजादी के नारे कल भी बुलंद थे और आज भी इनकी गूंज पूरी शिद्दत से सुनाई देती है। मगर अफसोस, भारत कल भी सुनने से कासिर था और अब भी ताकत से एक तहरीक, आजादी की तहरीक, सदियों की आवाज, जनून से लिखी फतह की कहानी सुनने और पढ़ने से बेगाना है। निहत्ते कश्मीरियों का जनून तारीखी कश्मीरी अपनी फतह के मुंतजिर हैं।
What do you think the impact will have on people of Kashmir? What do you think they will think? The way they have been boxed in their houses, treated like worse than animals, no rights. Thousands of all the political leadership has been arrested, taken out of Kashmir. Even those Kashmiri leaders who were pro-India have been taken out. 13,000 boys have been picked up and taken to God knows which destinations. So what do they think? What will the people of Kashmir do when they lift the curfew? They will be out in the streets. And what will these soldiers do? They will shoot them. What is going to happen when the curfew is lifted will be a bloodbath. The people will come out. There are 900,000 troops there. They haven't come to, as Narendra Modi says, he's done this for prosperity of Kashmir. This is supposed to be for the development. These 900,000 troops, what are they going to do when they come out? There'll be a bloodbath. Has he thought it through what happens then? So what do you think the Muslims are thinking right now? If there is a bloodbath, there will be Muslims becoming radicals, not because of Islam, but because of what they will see, that there's no justice when it comes to Muslims. And I've come here to tell the UN, you've got to, this is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination. They are suffering because of that. And this is the time. This is the time not to appease like in 1939 appeasement took place. This is the time to take action. And number one action must be that India must lift this inhuman curfew, which has lasted for 55 days.
और भारत के जुल्म सितम बर्बरियत का नोटिस लें और इस मसले के लिए अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में मौजूद 11 करारदादों का अमल दरामद किया जाए।